Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add money to PayPal balance. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your PayPal app, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you download the PayPal app? So you can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type PayPal and follow the on-screen instructions to install and download. After downloading, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic window or homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in PayPal. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add money to PayPal balance. So what you have to do from this homepage is to head over to the bottom of your screen where you have home, finances, payments, rewards, and wallet. Now click on wallet and that takes you here. Okay, so at the top of the screen, you have a couple of icons and that include view activity, add banks and cards. You have manage auto pay and you have set up direct deposit. Okay, so my account has been temporarily restricted, so that's why you see at the top corner I do not have all of the features available here. All right, but then one of the icons here is PayPal balance, right? PayPal balance, one of the icons over here. So once you click on that icon, PayPal balance, right, it's going to take you to a window where you have throughout the PayPal payment. All right, so once you click on that PayPal payment icon, it's going to take you to a window where you have the payment and then you have the balance tab. So set it to the balance tab. That's click on the balance tab, which is the first tab you're going to find in that window. And once you do that, you're going to see the step-by-step processes that will be required or that will assist you in adding the money into your PayPal balance or to loading up your PayPal balance. My account is restricted, so that icon is not here. So but then you're going to see PayPal payment, so click on that and then set it to balance and follow through with the on-screen instructions to add money into your PayPal balance. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.